Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we want to present our mini project which is OOP Password Services. My name is Jasmine Juwita binti Razio and I have 4 group members. Number 1 is Nur Fatahiyatul Hashirah binti Ismail. The second one is Nur Afiqah binti Anizan. The third one is Aisyah binti Husni Balis, and the last one is Naqib Khan bin Yahya. Okay, the first one is introduction. Nowadays, the use of password has become an obligation for every technology user. All applications require a password to access before use, such as Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. In addition, electronic devices such as laptop, mobile phone, and computer need to use password before login. In fact, the main purpose of using password is for safety for user, especially in the use of social media. There is a lot of privacy in it, such as phone number, email address, and so on. Therefore, a strong password is essential to ensure that all applications can be used with more privacy and security. So, we create this project to work to make sure that the password that we use are strong or not. We move to objective for this project. We already list 3 main objectives, which is the first one is the program will be able to generate strong and random password. The second one is the program will be able to allow the user to define various parameters for the generated password. And the last one is the program will be able to be designed in an object-oriented way with reusable component and a modular structure.
This is flowchart for our project. First, start the system. Then system print a main menu. Then go to read option. Go to the switch option. Then user must choose 1, 2, 3 or 4. If user choose 1, then system go to the password generator. User must choose lower letter, upper letter, number or symbol. If user choose no, then the system will print invalid. If user choose yes, then system will print enter length and enter password. Then system will go to the read option again, go to the switch option, and then go to the number 2. Number 2, if user choose number 2, then system will go to the strength check. If user choose length password more than and equal 8, the system will print very good. If user choose less password length less and equal than 4, the system will print this is medium password. If user choose password length less and equal 3, the system will print weak password. Then if user choose number 3, the system will go to useful information, then print useful information. If user choose number 4, the system will quit and go to the start again and print main menu, read option, then go to switch option, then user will choose number 1, 2, 3 and 4. If no, the system will quit and end.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Afiqah. I would like to explain the UML diagram for our project. The first is the main, which is the main for our project. The attribute is the keyboard scanner. The main is the main argument string void. Main is the parent for password class. The password class is the child of the main. The attribute for password class is the value string and the length integer. For method, password class use password string, char type integer, password string integer, calculate score string, and toString string. The next class is the generator class. The generator class use the attribute of the alphabet, and the method used in the alphabet class is the generator, include upper boolean, include lower boolean, include num boolean, include sim boolean, void, main loop, generator password line password, print useful info void, request password void, is include input string boolean, password request error void, print menu, and print quick message. The last class is the alphabet class, which is the attribute used in this alphabet class is the pool string builder, and the method is the alphabet upper included boolean, lowercase included boolean, number included boolean, special characters included boolean, and get alphabet string. Thank you.
A Java name main that serves as the entry point for the program. Let's go through the code and explain its various parts. The main class includes the necessary import statement for the scanner class from the Java util package scanner. It also refers the generator class that appears to be part of the same project, generator. The class declares a public static final scanner object named keyboard. It is instantiated with the system in, allowing the program to read input from the console. The main method is the entry point for the program, as it contains the code that will be executed when the program starts running. Within the main method, the following steps are appear. An instance of the generator class is created and assigned to the variable generator. The keyboard scanner object is passed as a parameter to the generator constructor. The main loop method is invoked of the scanner. This main loop. This method is responsible for the main execution flow of the password generation program. After the main loop method finishes executing, the keyboard scanner is closed using the close method. This is done to release system resources associated with the scanner.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Afrika binti Alizan, and I would like to explain the coding for generator class. Okay, this code represents a simple password generator program written in Java. First, we have to import the statement at the beginning, which import the necessary classes from the java.util package for using objects and the scanner class for reading user input. These two first line. Next, we have the generator class declaration. This at the line 4, public class generator. It has two instant variable, which is alphabet, represent an instant of the alphabet class, and keyboard, which is a static scanner object used for reading user input. Next, we have the constructor generator scanner at line 8. This line will initialize the keyboard object with the provided scanner instance. The constructor generator boolean include upper, Boolean include lower, Boolean include num, Boolean include sim. Create a new alphabet object based on the specified parameters. The main loop method in the line 16 is the main entry point of the program. It displays a menu and prompt the user for input until the user choose to quit by entering form. Inside the main loop method, a switch statement is used to handle user option. Depending on the user choice, one of 4 methods is called request password. In the case 1, request password. In case 2 is check password. Case 3, print useful info, and case 4 is print quick message. The generator password method, the generator password integer length at the line 50 method generate a random password of the specified length using the character defined in the alphabet class. It uses a string builder to construct the password by randomly selecting character from the alphabet. And this line 67, print void print useful info method print some guidelines and tips for creating strong password. At the line 81, the private void request password method prompt the user to specify their password requirement, whether to include lowercase letter, uppercase letter, numbers, and symbol. It reads user input using the keyboard object and set the corresponding variable based on the input. Overall, this code represents a basic password generator program that allows users to generate a random password based on their specified requirement. Thank you.
Okay, for public class password, the password class represent a password. It has two instant variable, value to store the password as a string and length to store the length of the password. The constructor takes a string s as a parameter and assign it to the value variable. It also sets the length variable by getting the length of the string. And then for the char type char C method, takes a character C as a parameter and returns as integer representing the type of the character. It uses ASCII values to determine the character type. Uppercase letter have ASCII value between 65 and 90. Lowercase letter between 97 and 122. Digits between 60 and 71. And symbol has values outside this range. And then for the password strength method, it calculates the strength of the password based on the character types used and its length. It iterates through each character in the password, determine its type using the char type method, and set corresponding boolean flags. Use upper, use lower, use num, and use symbol based on the character type encountered. It also increments a score variable based on the presence of different character types and password length. And then for the calculate score method, it calculates the score of the password using password strength method and returns a message based on the score. If the score is less than or equal to 3, it returns a message indicating a weak password. If the score is 4, it return message indicating a medium password. If the score is greater than 4, it returns a message indicating a very good password. And then the toString method overrides the default toString method of the object class. It returns the value of the password as a string. So overall, the password class provides functionality to represent a password, calculate its strength based on the character types and length, and provide a score and message indicating its strength level.
Let's go through the public class of alphabet. The alphabet class represents a collection of characters that can be used for generating password. It provides a way to include and exclude specific character types such as uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers, and symbols. The class includes several static final fields. This is the static final field, uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers, and symbols. This field stores string containing this declared as string. For this public static final, we declare as string for the character. These strings are predefined and represent the available character for password generation. The class has private final string builder pool. The variable is pool. This variable will store the character that will be included in the password generation process. The class has a constructor that takes 4 Boolean parameters. This is the constructor. 4 Boolean parameters, Boolean for upper class included, Boolean for lower case includes, Boolean for numbers include, and also Boolean for special character include. This parameter determine whether the corresponding character type should be included in the password generation. Inside the constructor, the pool variable is initialized as an empty string builder. The constructor then checks each Boolean parameter and depends the corresponding character type to the pool if the parameters is true. This way, the pool will contain only the characters that were requested to be included. The getAlphabet method returns the character stored in the pool as a string. It converts the string builder object to a string and returns it. GetAlphabet stored in the pool as a string. Here we can see return pool to string. Overall, the alphabet class provides a way to define a collection of characters used for generating password by selecting the desired characters type through the constructor Boolean parameters. The class allows customization of the character set for password generation. When the program is executed, the user will be directed to the main menu interface. The main menu will be print welcome to OOP password service and 4 choices that user need to choose. So let's see if we choose one for password generator. It will have several questions that request to user to answer for their password. So let's see if we write all yes, it will ask to enter the length of the password, and then we need to write the password that we need to generate. Here we can see this is very good password. We go if the question we choose no for all the question. So it will ask again because we need to choose at least one to generate our password. So here is I will tell you this is a medium password. This previous it will print this is very good password. So let's check for the choice 2 to check the password strength. Enter the password that we generate. So we can see this is a very good password. We already check it, and for the choice 3 it will tell you the best password that you can make using this password generator. Use a minimum password length of 8 or more character if permitted. Include lowercase, uppercase, alphabet character, numbers and symbol. Generate password randomly where feasible. Avoid using the same password type twice. Then if we choose 4, it will quit the system.
Okay, now the last one is conclusion. After completing the mini project, we have understood the concept of object-oriented programming and learned how to apply it in our project. Apart from that, we also learned all the useful features in NetBeans. We managed to create a useful program with all the knowledge we learned. Okay, with this project, everyone can use it to check whether the password is strong or not before using it to register an account or any application that require a password. Hopefully, with this project, we can reduce the issue of scammer in our country, and we hope that this program can give benefit to everyone. Thank you so much.